One of the concerns of a lot of our customers is having a slight misalignment between the socket and the fastener they're getting on. They may have some obstruction from the drive tool that doesn't allow them to have a good, clean, linear approach to the fastener. So in some cases, they need a universal or a flexible joint to get on the fastener. This is a solution to let them do that. And this is what we call a universal joint or a wobble joint, which allows for slight alignment adjustments at the back end. We also offer, at a reduced cost, a wobble kit, which is primarily the back half, which consists of the drive end, a spring, an O-ring, and a pin. When you combine all of these, you can attach the wobble kit to a good socket. So if you have to replace the socket, you don't have to replace the back half or the drive end. It saves approximately 50% of the cost, and therefore it's becoming very popular with a lot of our customers. And we make the wobble kit in 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch drive. So it can be accommodative to most size sockets that are used in our plants.